Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's a simple and delicious recipe for oven-baked chicken drumsticks. Ingredients: 8 chicken drumsticks, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon dried rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Optional. Pinch of cayenne pepper for some heat. Fresh parsley or cilantro for garnish, optional. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit 220 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil or parchment paper for easier cleanup. In a large mixing bowl, combine the olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, dried thyme, dried rosemary, dried oregano, salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper if using. Mix well to create a marinade. Add the chicken drumsticks to the bowl with the marinade. Toss the drumsticks until they are evenly coated with the marinade. Let them marinate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. For best results, you can marinate them for a few hours or even overnight in the refrigerator. Place the marinated chicken drumsticks on the prepared baking sheet, making sure to leave some space between each piece. Bake the chicken drumsticks in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until they are cooked through and have a nice crispy exterior. You can flip them halfway through the baking time to ensure even cooking. Once the drumsticks are done, remove them from the oven and let them rest for a few minutes. Optional. Garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro for added freshness and color. Serve the delicious oven-baked chicken drumsticks with your favorite side dishes like roasted vegetables, salad, or mashed potatoes. For watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.